Welcome to MTD Cnc India again. I'm here with Mr. Varun from Ucam at Imtech Show, and we are going to discuss about his plan of exports to different countries. So Varun, thank you for inviting us.
Thanks,
So
Ashutosh.
this is a fantastic booth in Imtech. I mean, this is the biggest booth you have ever done in Imtech. Fantastic product ranges here you have displayed.
Yeah, thanks, Ashutosh. IMTEX is generally an international exhibition in India. It's the machine tool expo in India, and we feel we have to show a strong presence. We're launching many new products. We launched the URQ series of rotary tables, and we definitely see that it's got a lot of potential. And we are planning to target the global market. So we are focusing on a few targeted markets that we like to promote these products and also give our solutions and products to other customers who haven't really seen us before or tested our products before. We are a successful brand in India, and we feel that we like to spread our reach globally as well.
Definitely, I think you have already become a global brand with such high quality products, and you have three integrated product lines like rotary tables, gear hobbing machines, and nimble electric motors. Right.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
what are your future plans? How are you planning to go overseas and win other markets out of India?
So we're definitely searching, we're planning and searching and using the distribution model
Okay.
to start with. So we are looking for many distributors in other international markets, for example, in Europe, in US, and in Southeast Asia. So we plan and we are looking actively for many distributors who can buy our products, provide support to our customers, and we plan to work in close partnerships along with them to promote our products globally.
Fantastic. Do you also participate in exhibitions outside India as well?
Yeah, we do. One of our main trade fairs that where we participate is EMO Hanover. That's once in 2 years we do go there and we participate at this trade show. We show a strong presence, very similar to how we show in Imtex. We do that. We also promote our another product range which are meant for OEMs. So these are rotary systems for machine builders. So
Awesome.
we provide solutions. We're currently exporting many products to many international companies who are buying our products. So people who would like to fit a complete 5-axis rotary table into their machine, we do that as well. We provide a 4th-axis solution which is built into the table. So we have a design and development team. We customize solutions according to the OEM's expectations. We also work in close partnership with OEMs where they keep stock of our products and distribute them
Wow.
as well. So a very similar business model like what we do currently in India. We like to promote the same globally, but we are actively looking for distributors who can provide support for our products globally, and to also help us market our products a little better.
Amazing. I think you have come at the right place. I think MTD is the biggest global platform, and you can reach out to global audience here and tell them that you are looking for the global distributors for your company.
Thanks, Ashutosh, for the opportunity. We're definitely looking for many distributors globally in specific markets. To be honest, we're looking in Italy, in Poland, in US. We're also looking in Southeast Asia, in Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam. So please feel free to contact us. You can check our website out www.ucamin.com. Feel free to reach out to me personally too. Thank
Great.
you.
Thank you, Varun. Thanks a lot. Wish
Thanks.
you all the best.
Thanks, Ashutosh.
Thanks a lot.